Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is E.L.F. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this whole drugstore makeup product look. So basically everything that I'm wearing on my face is drugstore except for the eyebrows. I will link everything down below, and best believe I am going to be doing a basically Spanish channel. That's like a long-awaited video that a lot of people has requested me to do, and it's taken me a while because again I don't know whether if I want to make a separate channel or just make it into like this channel, but just certain days are gonna be Spanish videos. So I'm gonna that's something I'm gonna think about after this video. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is E.L.F. and let's subscribe to my channel so you can be part of this family and the family keeps growing. So I don't want to make this video any longer because I know it's long already. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna obviously be using a lot of my affordable makeup, drugstore makeup. So definitely all of the things that I mentioned here are gonna be affordable for you guys. Anything that I use outside of my face, obviously if I don't mention it, it's because it's not affordable, and I'm so sorry that I don't have a affordable alternative for like the affordable makeup. All right, so I'm gonna start off by obviously prepping my lids. Obviously you want to do that before you even do anything. Let me go ahead and do that. So I actually did a video in Spanish on how to actually achieve perfect eyebrows. I don't want to call it perfect, but basically my go-to routine on how I achieve my brows. So what I tend to do is I actually went in detail. So I did speak in Spanish in that video, and so I'm going to be doing a voiceover so that can be in English for this channel. But if you guys speak Spanish, hablan español, vayan a ver mi canal en español. Okay, so I'm here talking Spanglish now. I'm gonna be using the palette Naturel Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna be using this shade as my transition color right here. And this shade is gonna, I swear there's always something going down in New York City. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this just on my crease to make it as a transition color. So this look is definitely gonna be cool tones in a way. So I'm pretty excited about it because I feel like I always do warm tones and not really cool tones. But I'm just gonna show you how I achieve this look. Obviously I'm just gonna focus this on the eyes. Applied it basically on the outer corner of my eye, going to the inner corner. It's literally just like following it on the crease, and I used a Morphe M200 for this, and obviously it's a cool tone look, so I'm gonna go with that. Next thing I am going to do is I'm gonna take more of a fluffier brush. So I'm using a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So if you own an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you know you get these, and this is how you know is this brush is this old, is that I had to put tape on it. But anyways, I'm going to be using the shade number 7, which is right here, and it's more like a maroon, and I'm going to be applying this just on the outer corner of my eye, going halfway towards my crease. But again, I'm not focusing it on my crease like from here up. I'm going from here down because I want to make sure that this color stays on the lid as opposed on the crease, and just like that, creating this look. And obviously I'm going to pack on a little bit more on that outer corner of the eye, and blending it out. Make sure you blend so everything come out seamless and give you that gradient effect, just like that. And obviously you can go back and use the number 6, which is the transition color that we use, just to like blend everything out, and everything looks seamless. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, now that I'm done adding that, I'm gonna go ahead and add basically this shade right here, which is a number 2. And I'm gonna be applying that on what is the lid, from the inner to like the center of the lid, but with my finger. I feel like it does a better payoff. Obviously don't use your index. Please don't use your index. I used it because I don't know why did I do that. But always use your ring finger because I feel like it gives it like less of a pressure and it's very soft on the eyes. So as you can see, that's pretty much it what I do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other. Again, why did I do this? You don't have to. You can use whatever finger you please. Again, you don't have to use these colors. And just to make sure it's blended out together. Again, I didn't even cut crease this. This is how good it is. And I'm gonna go back and blend it out. Just like that. And since I want it to be like, you know, super nice and like not, I mean, obviously it looks a little bit dramatic, but it's more cool tone for those of you that love cool tone. How many times did I say cool tone in this video? Alright, so this is pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. You could definitely finish this with an eyeliner. If you guys are wondering how I create my liners, I'm gonna link a card up here so you guys can check it out. But let me just go finish the rest of my face and I'll come back and let you guys see the final look. Okay, one last thing. I actually went back with Wet n Wild Mega Liner and it's in the color black. I use this to create that line, that eyeliner on my lid, and I'm using the shade 10, which is the blackest color in the palette itself. And I'm using a flat shader brush, well, a flat brush that looks like this, and obviously tapping off whatever I don't want. And I'm basically gonna smoke out the liner a little bit. So obviously I go on top of the liner that I created. I don't smoke that part, but I do end up smoking what is the outer corner. So as you can see, it looks like I'm gonna create that wing going up, but there's no wing to go to. So I just stop towards the end and I just smoke it out like that. I feel like it's much better and easier to do, and it gives you like that effect that you want. So again, you want to go ahead and do that on the next eye. So you go like that, and obviously you smoke it out, and then you go in the inner and you just apply the shadow on the inner. Again, don't do your face when you're doing this because there tends to be a lot of fallout and almost a lot of the eyeshadows, and you want to make sure it looks really nice on your eyes and not all black on your face. So, you know, the black shadow or any purple, pink, blue, green eyeshadows that you're putting on. So this is pretty much it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead now and finish everything from the face. Alright, so this is the finishing look. This is what I came up with all the products that I did use. I know I didn't do the lashes on camera or the lips, so for the lashes I did use again, this is affordable makeup, well, for the most part it's drugstore. For the lashes I used my 3D collection from Envy, and Envy? No, it's Envy. 3D Collection Envy. And these are the lashes that I'm wearing on my eyes. It's the number 112, which I freaking love. And definitely check them out because they have such amazing quality lashes. Again, for the lips, I used right here my Milani Amore. Oh, it's not Amore. It's the Amore Matte collection. I used the number 10 in Adorable, and this is the lippy that I'm using on my lips. For the lip liner, I used a Morphe lip liner. I'm sorry, I thought I had like a drugstore one. I pretty much do, but I just grabbed whatever I had just so I can finish the video. But the one I'm using is Honeymoon, and it's this one right here. Again, you can use this one alone just because it's very pigmented, so for sure. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you found this really cute and nice and something that you would go ahead and recreate. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on my social media because I am on that 24/7. And for the eyes, I can't believe I did like a cool tone eye, which I'm much more of a warm tone girl. I love warm tones, but I had to change something up, so I decided to do a cool tone, and I ended up using like basically this Naturel by Wet n Wild, and it's mostly like neutral and like cool tone colors, and I feel like it came out really good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below for any suggestions that you may have, any other videos that you want me to do, discuss, talk about. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
It's inevitable.